get what you get. Melvin did not deal well with disappointment. If his cookie had half as many chocolate chips as his sister's, look out! If he lost his turn during a game, stand back! And if he didn't get exactly what he wanted, well, you know. Sorry, Melvin, they were out of dinosaur backpacks. No, Melvin did not deal well with disappointment. This is why he hated his teacher's favorite rule. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Because of this rule, Melvin could not throw a fit if he had to use crayons instead of markers. He couldn't throw a fit if he ended up last in line. He couldn't even throw a fit if his napkin was pink instead of green. Oh, well, mumbled Melvin. At least I can still throw a fit at home. My family doesn't know a thing about that terrible rule. But that night, it was Melvin's turn to choose a movie. Things changed. As soon as he had chosen Dinosaur Rumble, his sister stomped her foot and whined. But I wanted to watch a pony called Trouble. Too bad. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit, said Melvin. Everyone stopped and looked at Melvin. What did you say? Asked Dad. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit, repeated Melvin. So if a cookie only has a few chocolate chips, you shouldn't throw a fit? Asked his sister. And if you lose a turn during a game, you shouldn't throw a fit? Asked his dad. And if the dinosaur backpacks are all sold out, you should be happy with a robot one? And you should absolutely not throw a fit? Asked his mom. Melvin gulped. Well, there's no way to take it back. Everyone knew. Well, I mean, at school, you shouldn't throw a fit, 'cause that's the rule. But at home, you can, he said. I think that sounds like a good rule at home, too, said Dad. I agree, said Mom. Home and school, that's the rule, his sister chanted. Melvin wanted to cry. He wanted to shout. He wanted to lie down on the ground and throw his arms and legs all about. But he didn't. After all, you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. Okay, let's go ahead and make our yogurt popsicles. You will need yogurt. You can use any type of fruit that you want. I'm using blueberries. I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla in there. And my yogurt is not sweetened, so I'm going to add some sweetener. You can use any type of sweetener, or you can use honey. Honey is really good in your yogurt. You also need a cup, popsicle stick, and then something to cover your cup and hold your popsicle stick in place. The first step is to take your yogurt. You're going to mix it right inside of your cup. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of honey, a little bit of vanilla, and I'm going to make a mess, apparently. And mix it all up in my cup. That's why I have this tray underneath, in case you make a mess. A little bit of sweetener. This part you probably will want to have mom or dad help you with. I know you guys like sugar and sweeteners. I'll put my fruit in there. Okay, and I push it all down in my cup. Cover it with my foil. I put the popsicle stick all the way down in there. And I put it in the freezer, and then you can enjoy it. It only takes a few hours. Sometimes you have to put it in there overnight. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.